I have a brand new tool to share with you when we come back. Don't go away. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Fat Guy Productions. I am Paul, coming to you as always from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And today I'm excited to share with you this. Now, I got this in almost over a month ago, and I've been waiting for like 6 months to get this. This was out of production, and so this is a new and improved version of this tool. And this come about from the Tonka challenge that we did a while back. And a lot of people are using these hollow rivets for putting Tonkas back together. Well, for a hollow rivet, you need a specialized tool to squish them down, but they end up looking very authentic and original, and I couldn't find a good tool. I just couldn't. So I was using my pop rivets to put together the Jeep, as you may or may not remember. Well, today I found a tool, and we're going to share it with you. So let's take a look at this. I haven't had a lot of time, so this has been sitting by my desk for like a month. Needless to say, I'm pretty excited to open this tool. Now, certainly, you can restore a Tonka with a pop rivet tool, but this tool is less violent, so there's less chance of damaging your work, and it also leaves behind a better looking product as the rivet has a nice finished look to it. I did a lot of research looking for a hollow rivet tool that would be just right for restoring Tonka trucks, and while there are others out there, none seemed as nice as this one. This small box is surprisingly heavy, which bodes well for the contents in this case. I pop the box open and there's a nice Start Here card with a very cool add-on. The tool comes with a penny with a hole drilled in the middle and a rivet for it, so you can try the tool out right out of the box. What a super nice little touch. I'll put the penny aside for the time being, and I can now check out the selection of rivets that come in the box. I will say, this is a super nice part of the tool as it comes ready to work right out of the box. Especially as a new hollow rivet guy, I had no idea what rivets I would really want to order. Now, I can figure things out by seeing things firsthand. So here it is, the big dog. First blush? Wow. This tool isn't just solid. There is attention to detail here as the tool looks great. It's very finished looking. The working ends of the tool are held on by a friction fit and pop, literally, off, as they actually make a popping noise as they come off. This way, you can get different ends or replace a damaged end. The tool tightens and loosens smoothly and has a replacement for the handle that has no arms. This will help you function in tight quarters. I'm not sure about you all, but I have been dying to try this out. So let's bust out the penny and the rivet. So I put the included rivet through the penny, and then I cinch the tool down on either side of the rivet. Once I have it snug and everything aligned, I can just squeeze the rivet down by turning the handle with only hand power. It's super easy. And just like that, it's done. Check this out. Look how nice this is. A perfectly set and tight rivet in the middle of my practice penny. Easy as pie. So, there it is, my new Tonka rivet tool. This is a surefire winner for Tonkas and so much more. So I know this was a really short first look and ultimately a little bit of a review. I mean, all I did was put a rivet in a penny. I don't have a die cast ready to go. So when I do my next die cast, not die cast, but Tonka, when I do my next Tonka, I will be using this tool and I'll talk more about it then. But at first blush, this thing is beautifully made. Very high quality, all right, heavy, nice, a lot of clearance, interchangeable tips. In case this handle is too much, you can switch out and use this. Really nice, it comes with some rivets, so you can try them out and figure out what you want and order more as you need them. All in all, I'd say this is a home run and worth every penny of it if you plan on doing any substantial Tonka restorations. And as you can see here, I have a ton of Tonkas just lined up waiting to be restored for you guys. So yeah, I really kind of didn't want to start another one until I got this tool. So I have it now. I'm super happy about it, and I think it's going to be a real home run. Give them a look. You can find them at www.pintonka.com, Pintonka.com, for the Pintonka Rivet Tool, a new standard in tubular rivet setting. All right, I hope you like this short but hopefully informative video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss one of my reviews. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. Until next time, this is Paul from Fat Guy Productions saying, be good.